Hey guys, it's Mozzy. For today, we're going to do a quick little maintenance on my Toyota 4Runner. And what we're going to do, we're going to change out the filter that goes into the secondary air pump. Why am I changing that? You can't really find these filters around. And if they go bad, you got to change out the whole air pump. Of course, $100. So what I've seen people do is they get these little aftermarket filters and they throw it on. So let's have some fun and let's get it done. So for this job, you'll need a T25 torque, a screwdriver, which is a Phillips, and the flathead, and the actual filter, which I will leave the link in the description below. Alright, so this is the secondary air injection pump next to the air filter for the engine. There's a small plastic clip that holds it right here, and there's an internal clip that just holds it. So you just gotta pick and pry pretty hard, and it'll pop out loose. It may take a little while, but don't be afraid. There it goes, pops right off. So you're just gonna, there's this clip right here, and there's an internal one here that you gotta pull off. Then it comes a T25. Just grab that and unscrew it. So lefty loosey, righty tighty. Right. Still okay. Very long screw here. Just pop off. This is the filter of concern right here. I'm going to take this out, and this is what we're going to change out right here. So this is the filter that I was talking about. So what happens is this filter over time it degrades, and small pieces fall into this pump right here. This is the blower right here, and it can mess up the blower. This can cost a couple $100 to replace. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this filter out, and we're going to take this piece off and pretty much put that right on there. So, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a piece of screwdriver and just pry this open little by little to get it open. Right. So I hit my screwdriver. I'm going to just pry it a little bit open to keep a little pressure on it. Try not to break the tabs. There he goes. Broke the tab. Be very careful because they tend to be broken very easily. So now what you do is you grab this filter, you put it on all the way, and I'm going to tighten this up. I'm going to tighten it up right here. Get my screwdriver and make this tight. All right, there we go. Pretty tight. And put this back on. There is little plastic coming out right here for so that you don't put it the wrong way. So there's little tabs here that fit right into these grooves. So that's what you do. You put the screw back, which is a T25. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. I'll just use this so I can just make it a little more tighter. There we go. Don't over tighten because you don't want to strip the plastic in there, and just throw this on. This should be covered nice and neat. There you go. Job done. And this is how it looks afterwards. Pretty flush right here with it. That's where the filter is. Caps on nice and tight. It's good. If you guys like the videos, I appreciate it. If you like and subscribe, thank you and have a good day. Thanks again for watching one of my videos. I really appreciate it. As you can see, the job took me just a couple minutes. Do be careful if you do want to keep this piece. Don't be like me that broke off a tab. So be very careful, take your time, and do it right. I'm just cold outside, so I can barely feel how much tension I put on there. Apparently I put it on a lot. But yeah, take care. See you next time.